Yeah, walk in the dark with no light, but still they scared of light, right? Beat on my head is up.
Sanbonani baby, Sanbonani Bolala. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mbulelo Austin Bali, also known as Kim. If you're new, la baby, Sami. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I maintain my curly wig. While ngicocela nestory sokuthi ngahlangana kanjani neboyfriend yami yokuqala or sajola kanjani neboyfriend yami yokuqala. I'm gonna be using these two things la ngifake la ikhelala and then la shame ngifake manti ibhodla le body spritz anani niyalibona. Mina ngiqale ukujola nebafana 2020.
Here we go.
Ngila ngiqale khona kuba like out of the closet. Ngiqale ukujola nebafana 2020. So iboyfriend yami yokuqala saqala ukukhuluma mina nayo 2018, and then but like nje besingajona nje besicoca and stuff, and then like ikhona into leyasicabanisa and then sangasakhuluma yabo, then 2019 wonke sangakhuluma sayeza ukukhuluma 2020. So like 2020 makabuya wabuya bengiye eMedi Clinic, mina bengiye eMedi Clinic nababa wami siye kulelinye twin nje lemntwana bhuti wami. Then while sise eMedi Clinic ngathola ama text aqhamuka kuye athena isheme Mbulelo, I miss you, I'm so sorry for what I did in njani kwasha kwacima kwavutha mlilo, and I was like okay fine shem ngiyakuxolela futhi nje bese ngidlulile lapho because vele into leyasena ukuthi singasakhulumi naye vele nje bekungilenyina ngeke ngizicocele because involve lomunye umuntu. Anginawo ama hair clips ne, so I'm gonna be braiding because I don't have hair clips, but if kunguthi nama hair clips wena ungasebenzisa ama hair clips fine vele okay. Ngamxolela ngamtshela ukuthi mina ngisekho lapho injanjani wara. Then from there saqala nje sacoca futhi kahle nje, then sacoca wangibuza ukuthi like how have you been and all that. Ngiyamtshela oh shame ngishaphu, wayethi like I'm good, I'm fine wara bese catch up ngisho, and then wangitshela ukuthi yena une cousin yakhe, wangichika nje story takhe about cousin yakhe, lenye cousin yakhe nayo I think angathi kusankhohle ukuthi gay kumi bisexual. Then wangitshela cousin yakhe, and then I was like mina okay like ngiba ne cousin yakho yabo, and then wathi yena hayi inzaba ufuna kwathi ukuthi ngiba ne cousin yami. I'm like nah listen ngicela utshela cousin yakho ngami. Oh, onginike the number cousin yakho mina ngiyitext.
Girl, really?
Mfana sisi waba so jealous wathi haya nengise ngikwende lokho injanjani kwasha kwaqima kwavutha mlilo why nje in nan fine then how so ukuthi phela kuma text ngesingiyambuza ukuthi kahle wena why like ube nenkinga efemini ngithi yabona ngifuna inamba cousin yakho kahle ikuphi inkinga yabo ikuphi inkinga. Then how waqala wayalena lena how jiki fast vele story vele wathi vele indzaba yakhe vele wagcina wayikhuluma ukuthi oh kahle yena une feelings for me. And I was like oh okay. Ni wasikhuluma vele story sakhe and vele shem nami shem lokalo yabe kangichaza shem ngifunde icamba manga bani vele batiko vele bayazi nakachaza story sakhe ngathi okay manje like ucabanga ukuthi senenjani yabo. Wangibuza ukuthi mina like angifeel lutho yini ngaye and stuff. Hayi nami ngamtshela ukuthi no like nami nje phela like bengisolonga ufuna ngifuna nje iqaba manga nami vele kucala ngufuna since 2018 mina nawe siqala ukucoca nethi ngoba vele nje yabo. And futhi bese nothi njani yathi sikhuluma nje ngento lokukhohlakala oh shame yathi umuntu nje uqale iqaba amncane sajola vele yabo sajola emjulo wethu umnazi njani. Ngiyakutshela sesikhuluma about 4 hours ebusuku mina nalo mfana sesi Shemi like and we had so much in common. Angitshela netingoma takhe lekathandako athi ngiboti lalela ngiyakhumbula Shemi bekathanda iPillow Talk ya Zayn Malik nanyayo le ngoma leyo nami ngiyayithanda and ngiyele wangena ukuthi ngiyithanda every time mangilalela or mangiva ikhala ngicabanga yena Shemi yathi bengimthanda lo mfana yami ngifuna ucabanga no Shay lapho ngicamba manje the way like into yami nayo bemnanzi ngakhona sesi yabo nje vena usasemncane Shemi uva ngathi nje mawujola nemfana yabo nje na usaqala kujola uva ngathi nje nanijola nanithandzana into bathi like ngathi into jola thile kuze kube ngibona phakade into shada sijole like for weeks I think bekayi 3 lamaviki kumele yabekayi 3 kulele forces angighost mfana athi du athi du mfana. So manje like mina ngicela ukuthi like sekwende njani yabo like ngendeni angighost mfana for like kwemalanga nyana yabo aphinza abuye makabuya guess what makabuya ngivele nje ngithola i-text lethi Mbulelo let's break up. Yo, Jona Mau. Ngithole text sesilethi Mbulelo, let's break up. Mind you guys, the way Mjolo wami nalomfalo bewumnandi ngakhona yeva. Ngaze like lo mfalo one of the reasons why ngafuna ukuphuma closet, because I was like, you know what, Mjolo wami nalomfalo umnandi kakhulu shemi, angifuni ukujola kabuhlungu naye, angifuni futhi nasekhaya nasebeva abantu bathi hey sibone Mbulelo acabuzana nemfana ngala bamangale yabo, ngifuna vele kube into lebayatiko vele naketa tongichecka emashona mina angifuni nje vele like kube inkinga yabo. Bese ngicela nokuthi ngidophuma closet out and then isijole kahle mina naye, because like yena wangija ukuthi yena vele akananzaba nebantu yabo. Okay fine vele. Ngithole text ethi Mbulelo, let's break up. Yo Nkosi yami. Yo ngive ngathi mhlaba wami like you uba mncane yeva. Ngithi after ngicela ukuthola le text leyo sis ngaphuma same time ngaphandle, manje ngaphandle ngathi ngizama kumfonela wangabamba ifoni injanja, ngamfonela kaningi wangabamba ifoni yeva, wangayibamba ifoni shemi lo mfana. Okay fine vele ngagcina ngamsendela text ngathi mina if kungukuthi kuyilo lefunako leyo then it's cool, but like ngibhala le text leyo ngiyakhala ngabe uva buhlungu shem, because I was like hayibo sesi break up ukuthi like ngikwendeni vele sho ukuthi sinagayi vele sahlukana yabo. But like nje sihlukana vele shemi into yami ebuhlungu, because like he was one of the reasons why like ngafuna ukuphuma closet. And ku closet mina I think mina ngaphuma yabo nganingishilo ukuthi like wangiposta for malanga. I think kule period leyo wangiposta ngayo ngila ngaphuma khona closet ekhaya, then yena lekhathi abuya sezwa vele wangijinda wangilahla wathi get there into yami ngakafi yeshem ngakafi sis yabo bafana yabo nje kugowa ngebafana ngacala lapho sesingikhumbula kahle bengithi every time sesima ngilona manyakochama ebusuku yabo like now uvuka ebusuku uthi like yakochama nangibuya kochama sesi ngivele ngihlale lapha embedeni ngibheke etuli asesitehle especially ngalethi cast abo 2 nabo 3 phela besinokushaya ikhadi solo sikhuluma mina naye tehle sis tehle tinyembeti leso sikhathi ngimncane grade 10 mvuzo loyo ngoyisho sabafana yo marashe umuntu wacala papa eva god le mgowe vele yabo ngowe ngijole nje naloko mfana kwaseteka takho yabo after yena, because like vele like ngaphuma ngisho closet and then after nje vele bese ngijwana lo mfana kwaseteka takho kwaqhamuka yena wabe boyfriend yami yesithu loyo naye ngimthanda ushem maramunda shemi yathi umuntu ushem wathi ningene bafaneni amncane Shema no wonder nje umuntu angeke asalunga ngoba ngacala ukudidikele bafanele vele ngimncane and iyangibhora lento leyo shem god. Engachubeka ngathi lo mfana waseteka takho lo yavela akasekho ngisho akasekho lo yasisi akasekho njengoba angasekho so sesi like ina khamba sikhathi ngivala abanye sesimage athi yena yana thina siyakhuluma naye injanjani into yami yabhlungu njani basilabanye abantu bayakhuluma naye mind you mina naye besijola basilabanye abantu hayi usasekhona mina thina siyakhuluma naye injanjani, because like lekhathi Mbulelo let's break up wavele nje waphuma na Facebook wangasabi active yabo basilabanye how thina usitextile and I think bakhuluma ukuthi like bangihlabekisela because ngibathi ukuthi mina naye siyajola period. Hayi thina besikhuluma naye injanjani wara kasho kwaqhuma wavusa mina okay mina sengiphumile kuye because naye wa decide ukuphuma kimi since wathena mina naye sihlukane yabo like angisho into yami naye bekuya 2021 senga grade 11 hayi vele kuqhubeke senga grade 11 into etinjalo wabuya towards the end of 2021 makabuya towards the end of 2021 ithi Mbulelo ngiyaxolisa injanjani inkinga ngahlukana nawe because ekhaya wathi mama wathola ukuthi nawe siyakhuluma injani kwasho kwaqima and wathi yena yana akayithanda into yami yokuthi mina ngijolene bafana injanjani. Okay shem nathi akunankinga mina vele shem nathi ngimuntu okuzije like ngidosho ukuthi okay ngiyakuxolela like anginanzaba futhi sekwendekile ngosi ukudubela kwami nje konginceda ngani yabo. It's okay fine then shem akunankinga it's fine wara but like kukodwa kwethu nyalo kungasavisiseki ukuthi kahlahle mina naye siyajola kumenjani yabo it's like ngasigumi like sesiyaxoxa nje yabo njengema ex but like akuvisiseki ukuthi sisatishaya kumbe njani vele yabo like abuye sichubeke vele sicoce and stuff but like ucoca kwethu nje njengoba ngishilo ngithi akusacaci ukuthi kahle kahle sekubonakala between him and I. So vele yabo ngimtshele yabo ukuthi mina phela mina angisaselitshitshi because like vele yena wangigcina yabo ngilitshitshi. Wangigcina ngilitshitshi ngimtshele ukuthi shem angisasilo mina litshitshi. Mfana. Wathi yena yana awusaselitshitshi awusaselivigin wena kwendeke nini lokho ngimchazele ukuthi ngimchazele ne-date futhi ngithi 30 November 2021 la ngabuza khona butshitshi bami wakwata ngikhumbula kade dade ngamtshela ukuthi we-call wa-drop i-call wangangikhulumisa for like ma-hours nje wabuya nje sekangitexta athi yana inkinga ngiva buhlungu ukuthi wena awusaselitshitshi khona mfana lekakucheketile injanjani bengifuna mina kuchekedwa bengifuna ukuthi wena uchekedwe ngimi inanananani ngiyakuthanza kwasha kwaqima. Ngithi mina hawu wena bofuna manje mina ngilinze wena uhambe emalanga ama-months bofuna manje mina ngilinze wena futhi nje wena usahlale na sport so beka sekahlala kulenye i-town khona lapha eMpumalanga. Ngimtshela ukuthi manje mina bofuna ngilinze wena mina wena usohlala le shem bengengize ngikhona mina futhi nje wena ungwelo wathi khipha kimi. So obvious angeke ngihlale mina ngamovie on ngazona ongela ama-months la ngidohlala mina ngithole so ngilinze wena ukuthi maybe one day shem utobuya asihlala but I understand yabo but like isichubeke sicoce up until like December vele nge-birthday yami and vele sekahlala lekuzeni vele yathi nawe like yabo sithathe high school so ithuna fine nge-birthday yami hawu ngimangale yabo ngithola i-airtime ya-120 le airtime ya-120 phela iqhamuka kuye yabo asho ukuthi ngofakele i-airtime happy birthday wara and futhi bese sigcine kuzana nokucoca mina naye bo athi angayikhohlwa i-birthday yakho yabo injanjani happy birthday injanjani kwasho wacima shami ngiyabonga yazi thank you vele wangishela i-happy birthday wara and vele like lo mnyaka lo tako vele bese siya ka-grade 12 so i-2 yabo so 2022 years siya ka-grade 12 ngamgcina siya ka-grade 12 so angathi ukuthi kwendeke kanjani because ngibone bebampostile bathi ulahlekile bamgcine beka esikoleni so ulahle kanjani aya esikoleni ekubeni 2022 mina naye besifunda grade 12 and services or maybe ukuthi ubuye lesikoleni because my mama sakha amchasi but like asikho lapho. So okay fine vele mugayi ngasakhuluma kakhulu because mina phela obvious sengibhizi ngesikolo yabo and sengibuya late esikolweni and stuff like sagcina ukukhuluma early 2022 yes and then again like early 2022 nasagcina lapho mali like nje savele nje saluze content angasakhuluma nje vele but like bese kuyafana nje bese ngingasamthandi yabo and then ngeshemi last year 2024 yebo last year 2024 ngiseresi like le khathi sengiqale lenye account yami Facebook kule yakudala ngithola umuntu ungitextile mangitexta bengingaboni futhi nguye yabo manje like uyangitexta uthi na hey I still need you wara how mangithi ngikhuphuka kula ma-chat ngiyabona manje vele ama-chat a-2020 lapha nawa 2022 lo muntu lo hawu ngilo muntu lo ngivele nje mina ngitende ngathi angimati yabo ngithi hi who am I speaking to wavele reply wathi you know what never mind ngaphuma kuye ngadeactivate futhi ngathi lithi account angideactivate le yakuzala ya Facebook ngayikhipha ngathi lithi account ngaslow yangihlanyela shame ngiphume kuzala nakusekho lapho leso stimela leso sadlula kuzala kuleso station leso nyalo sesibhizi ngabantu abasha phethe abasha manje phethe itingo letinyuwana futhi asisadla itingo sisidla ama-croissants period. So yeah guys shame inzaba yethu vele iphelela lapho yabo ngagcina la steve vele ngiphuma kuye niyabona most ama-kills ethu ukuthi kanjani niyabona ama-kills ami ukuthi kanjani like ane-moist ngisho noma sekawomile still atoba loose so angeke aze agcine so angikonkarane ngiyekele nikufaka ama-kills imusi yabo angafaki imusi la ngisebenzise ikhelala nemandi kuphela imusi iyana ama-kills ukuthi abe dry kakhulu anantuza i-moisture ama-kills ngiyolenza if kungukuthi uyayikama lelo igcine seyisheda because usebenzisa ama-kills I mean usebenzisa imusi and imusi yana ama-kills abe dry and ama-kills akumelanga abe dry kumele athambanyane abe ne-moist. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bolala, ngiyabonga baby. Ningakhohlwa ku-like and comment and share, niphinde nisubscribe. Ngizonibona next time. Mwah.